Did you know? The phrase "bless you" after a sneeze has a surprisingly interesting history. One popular belief is that it started in ancient Rome. People thought a sneeze could expel your soul or invite bad spirits. Later, during the plague in the 6th century, Pope Gregory I suggested saying "bless you" to protect people from illness. Even today, it's just a polite way to wish someone well after sneezing. So next time you hear a sneeze, don't forget to bless them. And that's your fun fact of the day. Hit subscribe for more.